Alright, you phone-hungry, content-craving tech junkies, it's time to stop settling for that old-ass phone that can barely load your Instagram feed without crashing. Get your hands on the Samsung Galaxy S23 5G factory, unlocked 128GB, Phantom Black, and trust me, this shit is going to make your life a hell of a lot easier. For $278.96, you're getting one of the most powerful phones on the market, and if you don't think that's a steal, you're a fucking idiot. And if you're ready to stop looking like an amateur and actually level the fuck up, I've left a link to the best deals down in my description below. Don't be a dumbass. Click it and get yourself set up right. Let's start with night mode, because we all know you love a good night out, and guess what? The Galaxy S23 doesn't give a flying fuck about lighting. Whether you're out at a concert, dinner, or just stumbling home at 3 a.m., this phone's got your back. It's got nightography that'll make your photos look like they were shot by a professional photographer, even if you're drunk as hell. That low-light bullshit you've been dealing with on your old phone, gone. You can now capture epic content in any setting, and your drunk selfies will look like they're shot in a fucking studio. And the 50-megapixel camera, Jesus Christ. Get ready to create crystal clear content that's worth sharing, and then some. Whether you're posting on your social media or printing out a fucking banner of your face to put up on your wall, because why not? This camera makes sure every shot is perfect. No more blurry messes or pixelated bullshit, just sharp, stunning detail. You know you want that on your Instagram feed, so stop wasting time and get it. Now, let's talk about what powers this bad boy. The fastest mobile processor available. The Snapdragon processor running at 3.2 GHz means this phone handles everything like a goddamn beast. Whether you're switching between apps like a maniac, gaming your life away, or pretending to work, the Galaxy S23 won't slow down for a second. Smooth doesn't even begin to describe it. This thing's faster than your sorry ass trying to get out the door when you're late. If you're serious about not waiting for your phone to catch up, this is the one you need. Smooth gaming? Yes, this phone is built for gaming at full throttle. Whether you're trying to crush your enemies in Call of Duty Mobile or just screwing around with a new game, this phone has the processing power to keep up. And with that 120Hz refresh rate, everything's going to be buttery smooth, no lag, no bullshit, just straight up performance. And if you're out and about, you're good. The phone adapts to your environment like a goddamn chameleon, so no matter where you're playing, your screen stays sharp and vibrant. And guess what? Battery life isn't going to leave you hanging like a cheap hookup. With a 3,900 mAh battery, the Galaxy S23 is ready to roll when you are. You're not going to be scrambling for a charger every 5 minutes. This thing's got enough juice to keep you going through the day, whether you're shooting photos, catching up with your friends, or pretending to work. It won't die on you like your last phone did when you needed it most. F that noise. Let's talk about that adaptive display because this screen's not just good, it's fucking amazing. The Adaptive Vision Booster adjusts the screen's contrast based on your environment, so whether you're out in direct sunlight or lying in bed with the lights off, your screen will always look top-notch. No more squinting at your phone because the screen's too dim, or cursing at it because you can't see shit outside. The Galaxy S23 has you covered, always. And if you're the type to actually work, the Galaxy S23 also has convenient collaboration features. You can start a video meeting on your tab, then pick it up on your phone as you head out the door. Whether it's for business or that 3 a.m. FaceTime call with your best friend, you can stay connected like the boss you think you are. For $278.96, you're getting a phone that does it all. No more waiting for apps to load, no more shitty photos, no more battery dying halfway through the day. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is the 5G powerhouse that'll make you look like a fucking pro no matter what you're doing. If you don't want to be a complete idiot with your content, you get the Samsung Galaxy S23. I've linked it down in the description. Click it, grab that shit, and thank me later. Stop using that piece of crap phone you've been hanging on to for way too long. Upgrade to the Galaxy S23 and thank me later when your phone's as fast and badass as you are. Click the link, buy that shit, and get yourself a phone that doesn't suck. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Honestly, I don't give a f.